Welcome. In front of me is a TECNO Pova Neo 2, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen to bring out your toggles, and then swipe down on them once more to extend the list and also just have the names for these toggles. We're looking for power saving toggle, which might not be actually added by default. Yep, looks like it's not added by default, so we'll need to do that ourselves by clicking right here on these three dots and selecting Edit, Shortcut, Switch, swipe down, and here you'll find a bunch of toggles that are turned off. So we can add those. Now in here I already see the Ultra Power. This is the more extreme power saving mode, and unfortunately it doesn't look like there is a normal power saving mode unless it's here and I just can't see it. But yeah, I don't really see anything else. So I'm gonna stick with just the Ultra Power. So you can see once we added it, it's now in our list, and from here we can tap on it. Enable Ultra Power saving mode. Only calls, SMS, and calendars are available. Enable. We're gonna select enable, and there we go. It does turn down the brightness of your device by quite a bit, removes colors almost entirely, disables most applications, and just keeps these three apps that were mentioned before. And next here we have the exit button, so we can utilize that to get back to the normal mode. So that's the Ultra Power Saving mode. Now I believe if we hold this toggle, try it again, there we go. So it takes us to the settings, well, not settings even. I'm gonna check in the settings. There might be just a normal power saving mode, so I do want to kind of like make sure. So we have battery saver, so you can enable that. You can search for battery in the main settings, and from here you can toggle that on. Like I mentioned, this is a power saving mode, though to toggle it on and off you do need to kind of find it, and it is in the advanced settings by the looks of it. So just to scroll down, we have I have no clue where advanced settings is. So yeah, I think the easiest way would be just to search it like I did before. We do have battery lab in here. So yeah, it seems like the easiest way to enable it is to just search for it. And also that will be the way that you can turn it off, unless you're using the Ultra Power here, then you can toggle it on and off from here easily. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.